Goeiedag inwoners, hierdie is raadslid Denise Jansen van Rensburg. Ek is 'n PR raadslid wat oor Boksburg is deur my party Vryheidsfront Plus. Huidiglik by die Summerfield Primary School is daar ander Vryheidsfront raadslede by die Vryheidsfront Gazebo as ook Vryheidsfront lede. Julle is meer as welkom om daar verby te kom, klagtes aan te meld of jou registrasie te kyk. We have also reported all the overgrown trees not to be cut off, only to be trimmed, as these are damaging vehicles. We also reported the traffic lights that are off, potholes in the Ward 17 area, and we are on our way to a massive pothole currently. These are one of the many potholes in this Ward 17 that we have reported to the department, and we are pressuring them to come and repair the potholes. Wijk 17 was ons heel eerste wijk in Boksburg waaraan ons aandag gegee het. Ons sal by elke ander wijk in Boksburg uitkom en presies dieselfde doen. Ons sal ook in groot massas daar wees. So asseblief hou ons Vryheidsfront WhatsApp channel dop vir die nuutste nuus en vir die volgende datum van ons volgende aksie. Soos my mede Vryheidsfront raadslede sê, groen kan dit doen. Please contact us to check your registration status or for any assistance. Jy is ook meer as welkom om ons te kontak sou jy graag 'n lid van die Vryheidsfront wil word.